morning. Well, not morning, but
not morning.
Afternoon.
Hi guys. Yeah, we're have just reached Hamre, the Hamre trek. Gonna be fun. A little bit unlucky with the weather right now. It rains, but hopefully tomorrow it will be dry. Yeah, we just loaded up everything for the first time this season. We're going to stay in Iveco, so this will be a fun weekend. Hopefully a lot of twin and a lot of cool videos and yeah. So we're gonna build our pit now, and we see you later. Safety first. So yeah, I'm gonna be the test bunny. So yeah, pray for me not to put the car in that wall. Most likely, yes. Hopefully, no. Yeah, so I'm just gonna test it. Not gonna push. Just gonna cruise around the track, you know.
Test the track layout and everything.
See if
for tomorrow.
See if I can drive. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, so good morning. Good night's sleep. So trying to build the rest of the pit and just a little bolt check on the car. See if anything come loose from yesterday's test. So yeah, the idea with this event from Jocke, Andresson and company, Andreas and his team, is to invite drivers to make a media event where we should be able to give all our sponsors and followers the same kind of content that we would do during a competition weekend, since it's lacking a lot of competitions in these times. So it's a really good initiative from them, and it's awesome to be invited, of course. So hopefully we can put up a good show and doing a lot of content to give you what you want, and to keep everyone happy, and hopefully bruise some doors. I'm gonna try to hunt for that C70. Awesome paint job of that one, but it would be a little bit better with some extra black on the door, a little bit matte black, Westlake black. Yeah, so we'll see you later. So the first session's over, and we had one problem, and that's this little silicone hose here.
Here?
Oh, not there, but here. This one. The old one decided to, after 3 years, not to live with us anymore. It's dried out there. But 3 years for a silicone hose, I think that's pretty good. So yeah, the track feels awesome. It's a perfect track for twin. So I think it will be really good twin drifting after the lunch break. And hopefully we can push each other to the extreme. Got one really good twin chase with Frey. That felt awesome. So yeah, the traction is good. The car feels well settled in the track. Yeah, so that's it for now. And Jesper will keep filming on the track.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Get all the cameras sorted so we can get all the angles and everything.
Yeah. His little
my little workshop down in the cave.
This is where they live. Perfect. Yeah, so we see you later.
His car and Pontus.
And not so awesome driver, but what a day we've been having here. Huge thanks, first of all, to jocke, andresson, Andreas Staberg and their crew putting this event together. It's been absolutely amazing. So in these times, the Corona times, to be able to still run an event like this on an awesome track like this. The track is a little bit unforgiving because the track edges right outside the tarmac. There is very steep ditches on a lot of parts of the track, so you need to have your tongue in your mouth and stay focused. But other than that, the track is absolutely amazing. It's a full throttle acceleration from the start to the initiation, and then it's all the way around with all these walls and ditches. So you feel alive, you say. Been having so much wind drifting today. I mean, we have just driven the car all the day. We had some small troubles with a pressure hose out from the turbo, which actually broke and blew off a couple of times. but a new pressure hose, new fittings, and that problem was gone. So after that we had just been driving.
Against pretty much everyone here.
Yep.
Almost.
We have changed colors with a few of them. A bit with Patrick Frey. I had a little bit of an incident with Jocke Andresson, who broke steering angle, something there. A weld who cracked. So we hit him a little bit, but we've been having so much fun. It's been an absolute amazing day. It was dry all day long. So yeah, it feels awesome to be back with the twin, and the car has actually worked so good a whole day, which is the first time.
Finally.
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 And it feels amazing. It's so dialed in. I feel like I can do what I want with it. I need a bit more seat time to be 100% comfortable with throwing it around the track, but everything feels awesome. So yeah, thanks for this event, and thanks for watching. I will see you later.
Yeah, see you in the future.
Yeah.